Johanna.
Hey guys, today's quick journaling page idea is to use images in our journal. So images can be obviously photos you've taken yourself. You can use images from magazines. You can print photos out at home like I have. I've just chosen some pictures that inspire me and I'm going to use them over one page spread. So like I said, whatever images you use, it's up to you. You can get them from wherever you like. You can cut them out from books, magazines, you can get them from the internet, you can get them from your phone. It doesn't matter where you get them from, but just choose a couple of images that you like. The ones that I picked, I just liked sort of the mood they had. I liked the colors in them. When I looked at them, I felt inspired, which is why I decided to include them on my page. And all I'm doing is assembling them around the page in a way that I think looks nice and just sort of fitting each photo beside each other so that it looks interesting. I also decided to take my pen and to add a little bit of doodling and a little bit of journaling. Obviously, this is optional. You can do whatever you like. The page idea is to include images, so you can take that idea and you can do something completely different to what I have done. I don't want anyone to feel like they have to do exactly what I've done, because you don't. You can take that idea and you can make it your own. But because I had so much extra time, I decided to fill in some of those gaps with some journaling and some washi tape and some doodling, and I really like how this page turned out. It was so simple to do, just like all the pages in this series, but I think it's one of my favorite pages in this whole series. And that's going to happen when you choose pictures and things to include in your journal that you really love and that speak to you for some reason. Things that inspire you, if you put them in your journal, then you're going to like how it looks when you look at it. So it's a really easy way to make your journal look nice to you. So I want to know if you are joining in on this challenge and you've been following along with me and actually doing some of these ideas. Have you been timing yourself for 15 minutes or have you just been estimating 15 minutes? Because for me, it was very easy to forget that I was timing myself and to then remember, I only have 5 minutes left. I better finish this page up, because I'm used to getting very lost in the journal page. But at the same time, having that 15-minute limit sort of also took away that strive to be perfect and to make something that's beautiful in the end, because you're more focused on actually getting something done in that time frame than having something that looks amazing at the end. And I think that's kind of a good part of this challenge, that it takes the focus away from spending ages and ages making something look perfect, but more so just using that little snippet of time to actually get something down and to not worry if it's perfect in the end. So if you are enjoying this series, make sure you check back tomorrow, because I'll have the next little episode out. And yeah, I'll see you then.